Why was this so low? So I'm using, I'm texture rigging this, guess like it's kind of like a leech. And I'm just letting it hit the bottom. It's going, I'm just jigging it up a bit. It's going up and down. That's where the rainbow's like, I guess. Like that's the action. We're in about 17 feet of water. We're casting in about 11 because that's where all the fish are, because all the bait fish there. Jake's hooked up. Oh, it's a rainbow. Get him, get him. Nice. Let's go. Let's go. Good fish, boys. Good fish. Good fish. Nice. I knew I was catching. I saw him jumping around and stuff. Oh, he enrolled. He enrolled. Out. Okay. Gonna put live well. Boys, we got a nice rainbow trout, boys. Turn the camera. Miss Young, check out this toad I just got. I know. Don't worry, I did all the work on just my notes because I couldn't access doc, but I got it done. Yeah, well thanks Miss Young, see you later. His face pretty beat up. He's actually pretty big, pretty wide. Look.
Oh yeah.
Look how wide it is. JJ. It's a beautiful lake.
Yeah, that's a nice fish.
A nice rainbow.
Let him go.